Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a dresser and two large nightstands that we're going to redo. So follow along as we get the process started. Alright, the piece is in pretty good shape overall. What we've already done is we filled in some of the bigger holes with wood putty. We've let that dry. So now what we can do is we can start sanding this piece down and the nightstands. Alright, so we vacuumed it, wiped it down, and it's ready for paint. We're going to use cracked pepper by Bear. We're going to use two different brushes. We're going to focus more on this one for the drawers so we can get in behind the handles and such really nice. And then we'll focus using the big one here for the big pieces. So, let's begin. Alright, here it is completed, done in cracked pepper. We have our 9-drawer dresser and our two nightstands, our oversized nightstands. We got our supervisors out here double checking my work, but they seem to be pretty pleased with it. If you like this and many of our other projects, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, and well, I bet these supervisors will keep me busy with some new projects coming your way.